you want to make sure you get a end of the night shot. Now, a lot of times you might not be there for the actual end of dancing. The dance floor might, by the end of the night, there might not be a lot of people on the dance floor. So you can either set up an end of the night shot with the entire dance floor and the DJ. You could say, hey, I'm gonna go up on the balcony. I want you to, say, hey, look up there, and everybody wave and smile and yell. Great. But again, direct an end of the night shot. You might want to take just the bride, or you might want to get that shot and get the bride and groom. But you might also want to just get the bride and groom, take them outside, get a shot, an exterior shot with them, get a shot with them kissing at night, whatever. Be creative with that. But make sure you get that shot that if we're going to use it in the highlights, it's a good shot that kind of shows the progression from the end of the day from the beginning of the day to the end, in a way where, we might shoot things out of sequence, but we might also want to end the night on this great, kind of capper shot. So it might be, you might want to get something with the dance floor yelling. That's a great shot anyways. And you might also want to say, hey, bride and groom, could we just go outside for a second, get this end shot where you kiss or whatever it is, something. But make sure to kind of get that end shot and kind of think in your head, okay, for the end of this highlight, what would be this great shot to end the night?